Hi everyone, and welcome back to Thrifty Mama Scraps. For today's video, this is video number 11 for the summer Scrap Your Summer challenge. And for today's challenge, I would like you to do a Christmas in July page. This is my Christmas in July page. This photo was taken of me in December of 2017 when my husband took me to Chicago on just a weekend getaway with him, and it was so fun. We had the best time. So this photo was taken at Chris Kindle Market in downtown Chicago. And I used a black and white diagonal stripe page. I basically, when I thought of making this page, I just grabbed the first piece of cardstock on my stack of paper, which was kind of interesting because I wasn't sure how I was going to do a Christmas page with this particular pattern, but it worked out really well. I used up a lot of scraps. These are all scraps from my stash. These stickers, these little tiny stickers, are from Bella Boulevard, and they are simply they're actually, I think they're Valentine stickers, but they worked really well for Christmas as well. And then the letter stickers, I am not 100% positive where they came from. Let me see. No, it doesn't really say where they came from. I think it was off of, I buy a lot of sticker sheets that have letters attached. They're part of a page kit, and then I cut the letters off. I cut all the letter stickers off and then cut the stickers apart and use them that way. And this tag is older than the hills. I think I made that in 2000 or 2001, and that has been in my stash since then. So it's really, really old. And I was glad that I got a chance to use it. So, I hope you'll join in this challenge of Christmas in July for Challenge 11, and I hope you're enjoying these challenges. I'm really enjoying these challenges because it's making me think outside the box and use supplies that I don't always, go to right away, and try to use up a lot of scraps from my stash that have just been sitting around, and embellishments as well, that have just been sitting around for a long time and need to get put on a page. So I thank you all for watching. I hope you'll join me back tomorrow for day number 12 in Scrap the Summer challenges. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.